Hello everyone, I'm ENVtuber professional alchemist and welcome to this super quick tutorial on how to set up Birb Mic with Speakerbot. Setup is super simple, so let's give it a quick look over here. So the crucial thing here is to have a virtual cable installed, because the virtual cable is going to allow us to connect the output of Speakerbot as an input in Birb Mic. It sounds more complex than it is. Basically, you just need to have a virtual audio cable, anyone that you want, install. I'm going to leave a couple of links there below on how to buy or download some of them. You just need to make sure that the input device in Birb Mic is the same as the output device you have set up in Speakerbot. In this case, I'm using cable B input for Speakerbot and cable B output on Birb Mic. If you have another audio cable, it's going to have a different name, but most of the time it's going to have the same names: input in Speakerbot, output in Birb Mic. Once that is set up, we just enable the microphone on microphone monitoring in Birb Mic. And now we can see that if we have any type of voice here speaking on Speakerbot,
this is a test message.
It will send the parameter data to V2 Studio, and the mouse, in this case of this TV model, will move. Same thing also works if you are using, of course, Speakerbot alongside Speakerbot. You can have a Speakerbot send the signal to Speakerbot, and if you do a test trigger, it will work the same, because what's important is the audio output that you have selected on Speakerbot. Just make sure it's the same cable that Birb Mic is listening to. Also remember, once you have the setup finished, to save, just so Birb Mic remembers which microphone it's monitoring next time you open it. And that's about it. Simple, quick, and you can use it also with any other program that you have that have TTS or some other type of audio output. It can be voiceball, it can be like your browser, whatever you want. Hopefully useful to you. See you next time. Bye bye.